everyone, let's go on to learn the equations. Today we will learn the binary system of first order equations. We all know this equations is very easy, but very basic and important. Let's go on. The solution of binary first order equation, the basic idea is elimination. That is by using the substitution method or addition or subtraction to change the binary equation into union equations so as to find the solution of the equations. We know we have two basic methods. The first method is substitution elimination method. We call this substitution method. For example, let's give an example. X minus 2y equals 5 and 3x plus y equals 10. Let's have a look. Here we can know x equals what? X of course equals 5 plus 2y. Then we put into the second formula 3x, it changed 3 times 5 plus 2y plus y equals 10. So easy. Then 15 plus 6y plus y equals 10. Okay, 7y equals 10 minus 5. Of course, it's negative 5. So y is negative 7/5. Y we know, and we can find x. X is equals 5 plus 2y, and 5 plus 2 plus 2, negative 7/5. Okay, we can get the answer. This method we call a substitution method. And the second method is what? The second method is addition or subtraction elimination method. Addition or subtraction. For example, let's give an example to understand it. For example, 3x plus 2y equals 10. 3x minus 2y equals 2, for example. Here we can, the first formula plus the second, we can plus what? Of course, 6x. Here, negative and positive, the opposite, and equals 0. And here is 12. Of course, x equals 2. We can put x here into the first or the second formula, and we all can the first and the second minus. Here minus, here is 0, and 3 for y equals here minus 8. Of course, y equals 2, and the value is x equals 2, y equals 2 also. We can find the value. This method, we call it addition or subtraction elimination method, or we call addition subtraction method. Of course, my friends, I will share some special equations, the method of how to solution of the special method. The first is coefficient rotation method, and the second is substitute method, and the third is reciprocal method. This I will use some examples to share with my friends. Okay, let's use some example to understand the method of equations. For example 1, let's have a look. If the solution of the system x plus y equals 3, x minus 2y equals a minus 2. With respect of x and y is negative. And the range of a is what? Let's have a look. Let's see. Okay, x plus 3. We can change x equals 3 minus y, or y equals 3 minus x. We can use y grabs x, or use x grabs y. If we substitute x equals 3 minus y, put into the second line, x minus 2y equals a minus 2. Then we can get what? We can get here is 3 minus y, and minus 2y equals a minus 2. Of course, here 3 minus 3y equals a minus 2. And then we can get the y equals, of course, negative a minus 5 over 3. Oh, and so on. We substitute y equals 3 minus x into the second line. X minus 2y equals a minus 2. We get x minus 2. Here y becomes 3 minus x and equals a minus 2. Of course, we can get x equals the a plus 4 above 4. Okay, they are all, whether x or y are all negative, then we can get what? We can get, here is x, so x, we can solve it. A is greater than 5. And y, here y, here use y, x, here's y, here's y equals, and we can get a is greater than 5. Here x is equals 4a plus 4 is less than 0. Then we can get a is less than negative 4. Okay, it's greater than 5 and less than negative 4. Is there any number here? No, it's impossible. So we say it's no solution. No solution is the correct, it's the right answer. It's the right value. We can choose D, no solution. This is a basic equation. Okay, let's go on. Have a look. The system of equations of 3x minus 5y equals 2a and x minus 2y equals a minus 5 for x and y is unknown, and the value of x and y are opposite to each other. The value is what? The value is what? Okay, let's have a see. X and y are opposite. We can know x plus y is 0. So x equals negative y. So we can substitute x equals negative y into the original system of equations. We can get here 3x plus minus 5y. And we can here 3x plus 5x. 5x change to negative x. So here it's 8x equal to a, and here x plus 2y, here we can change what? We can change x plus 2 minus 2 negative x. So we can get x equals 5, and a, of course, a equals 20. We can find the value. The value is D. A is 20. Let's go on. Example about the absolute value and squares. We can use the equation to get the answer. Here, the absolute value of 2x minus y and minus 3 plus the squares of the sum of 2x plus y plus 11 equals 10. Then, here is the which is the right answer? Okay, we can know here the absolute value here must greater or equals 0. And here the squares here must greater or equal 0. So they all 0. They have 2 0. Then no choice. So 2x plus minus y minus 3 equals is 0. 2x plus y plus 11 is 0. Here we can use what? We can use the add or minus, addition or subtraction. If the first plus the second, we can get 4x equals negative 8. So we can get x is negative 2. Or we can use the first line minus the second, we can get 2y is 14. So negative 14. So we can get y is equals negative 7. Here the value. So we can choose is D. It is interesting, it is easy, but it's very important. The add and subtraction method or the substitute method. Here is also the absolute value and the squares. The plus is equals 0. We can get here have 2 equals 0, and here have 2 equals 0. We can get 3x and we haven't need to get the x or y. They ask us 3x plus y. Then just add them. It's okay. Just add them. It's 3x and negative y, negative 2y. So it's negative y. It's 3x minus y is 8. It's the value. It's the answer. We don't need to find the x or y. Okay, we can force fast to quickly. The answer is D. If you have any question, please feel free to send a private message to me.
Let's go! My